Hello everyone, I am Robin Mato, a student of Mechatronics and Intelligent Machine. So today I am here to present about my project. This project is all about product sorting machine on the basis of their color, and it is also an important part of my advanced engineering portfolio module. So let me give you the short introduction of my project. This project is mainly used to identify the color of the product and then sort them automatically to the respective bins, which I use here. This kind of system is mainly used in industry for sorting the product, for the sorting systems like in manufacturing industry, you can say in automation line, in you can say in packaging systems. So in this kind of sector, in this kind of industries, we can use this kind of systems. So now let me tell you the component that I have used in this project. So here you can see this is Arduino Mega 2560, which is used as a controller which control the overall systems. So for this project I have used multiple sensors, multiple actuators. So the main function of the controller is to take signal from the sensor to make a decision and activate as per our requirement, as per our instructions. So this is a controller, as I already explained about the functions of the microcontrollers. And after that you can see here sensor. It is a color sensors which model is TCS3200. Industrial line they can use color sensors which has a good range of detecting the object, but this kind of sensor does not have a wide range, doesn't have a good range of detecting the object. It can detect the object between the distance of 3 to 4 centimeters only. And after that you can see here two IR sensor, which is infrared sensors, industrial IR sensors. So the main function of the color sensor is to detect the color of the product. You can just see here, if the color of the product is blue, the color sensor will detect the color of this blue product. If the color of the product is red, the color sensor detect the product color is red. This is the main function of this color sensor. So the main function of IR sensor is to detect the presence of the object. After that you can just see here, this is a solenoid valve. So solenoid valve, the main function of the solenoid valve is to deactivate pusher. This is the main function of the solenoid valve. And after that you can see here just two pushers. So the main function of this pusher is to sort out the product which comes from the conveyor belt systems. So here is a DC motor. So the main function of DC motor is to rotate the conveyor belts, and this is the conveyor belt systems, and these are the bin that I have used for this project. And this is a 12-volt DC battery, and you can see here it is a I2C display which is used to display the total number of product and total number of red product, total number of blue product. So this is mainly used to show the number of products. And here you can see three different LED bulbs. One is the blue, this one is the red, and that one is green. So the green glow up anytime when we turn on the power, when we supply power to the systems. So it denotes that the systems the wiring of the system is correct, there is no fault. In case of any fault, the green light go off. And there is two light as well, so one is a blue and one is red. So the main function of the blue is when the color sensor detect the color of the product, like this is the blue color product, so the blue light go up so that the user can easily identify that the blue color product is coming on the conveyor belt. And when the color sensor detect the red color product, the red one will glow up so that the user can easily identify that the red color is coming on the conveyor belt. And apart from this, there is two relay. One relay is for solenoid valve 1, and one relay is for solenoid valve 2. So there is two relay, and the main component to operate the whole system is a push button switch. Here you can just see. So the main function of this push button is to start and to stop the systems. There are two functions. When we press first time, it will start all the systems, and when you press second time, it stop the whole systems. And that one is a speed controller, so that we can control the speed of the conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is not operated from the controllers. We can easily control the conveyor belt speed by using that speed controller. So this is the all the component that I have used in my project. And one more component is that a compressor, which is the external device which supply compressed air to the systems. As I said, the system is operated through pneumatically, so without compressed air, the system will not work. That's why I have used a compressor as a part of the project. So now let me tell you the working principle of this project. uh, so the main working of this project is when the user puts a product on the conveyor belt. It comes on the conveyor belt, and there is first it goes through color sensor. So the color sensor can easily identify the color of the product. It can like if the product is red, the color sensor detect and locked it as a red, and if the color sensor detect the product color is blue, it gives signals to the controller that the product color is blue, and it locked on the systems. So after that, after passing from the color sensors, it comes in front of the IR1, so that the IR sensor give the signals to the controller that the red product is coming, so that the controller can activate the solenoid bulb, and the pusher can push that the color item to the respective bin, that the red product to the respective bin. So this is the working of the systems. So now let me turn on the system and let me show you how the system does work here. So now for that I have written a code in my laptop. So the system will operate it through the coding programming. Without programming, it's not possible to operate the systems. Now let me show you the system, and then I'll show you how the system does work here. So now first I need to run the program. So let me run the program on my laptop. So the program is running now. Okay, the program is running. So now here in the LCD, you can see the system is stop, press start and press stop. So if we have to start the system, we need to press the start. This is a start push button, a small one. And if we need to stop the system, we need to press the same button second time. So now I need to press the start button. When I press the start button, you can just see here in the display, TOT means total, and R means red, and B means blue. So now the system is ready to work. So now I need to give 12 volts extra power to run the conveyor belt and to operate the solenoid valve. So now I already give the 12 volt power. You can just see here conveyor belt is moving. So now we have three different color objects. So now let me put a blue color on the conveyor belt. So now blue color is going. You can see in the bulb, LED bulb, the blue color is glowing. So now when the product when the sensor detect blue color, that the pusher 2 sort out the product in that second bin. So now let me put the red one. When I put red, the red light is glowing up there. You can see here the pusher first push the object. Now let me test with the default color. So default color is like black. So they detect the black color. The system does not work in this situation, in these conditions. So this is considered as a default color, and the default product will go to the bin. So I put this bin for the default color. So here you can see one product is in the bin 2, one in the bin 1, and one in the default. So let me show you again. So this is a default color. So the system does not respond here. Okay, so now let me put the blue. It's a blue. You can see blue color is blue, LED is glowing up. Now pick up the pusher 2. It pushes the product blue color. Now let me put the red one. So now the red LED is glowing. So this is the working of my project.